I am HVAC repair guy and I have been wrenching on these systems for 17 years. Today I have got the Frigidaire FHPC102AC1 going head-to-head with the Dreo 740S. The Frigidaire FHPC102AC1 utilizes a single exhaust hose that runs from the back of the unit to the window kit. This single hose setup pulls conditioned air out of the room and pushes it outside. On the other side, the Dreo 740S features a dual hose design inside one large exhaust hose. The homeowner easily slides the plastic window venting kit into the window frame and snaps the hose attachment into place. The Dreo 740S portable air conditioner has a slimmer vertical design. Inside the Dreo 740S, an inverter compressor ramps up and down smoothly based on the cooling demand. The Frigidaire FHPC102AC1 uses a traditional non-inverter compressor that loudly clicks on at full power and then shuts completely off. This standard compressor cycles frequently causing a spike on the household power bills. Both units include a plastic remote control, but the Dreo model also connects to a smartphone control app that lets the homeowner adjust temperatures from the couch. Let us look at the price tags on these machines. The Frigidaire FHPC102AC1 costs around $318 at local home improvement stores. The Dreo 740S sits at a higher retail price of around $699 online. The Dreo 740S uses an internal auto-evaporation system to pump moisture out through the exhaust hose. Both manufacturers offer a 1-year full warranty on the machine and a 1-year warranty protecting the compressor. For my money, the Dreo 740S is the clear winner because the dual hose design and inverter compressor save money on power bills. The higher price tag is worth the quiet fan noise and superior cooling airflow in a hot room. That is how you shop like a pro.